Wetin sup, before you realize say your friend money no be your money. Bro, your friend money no be your money. Your friend fit get 1 billion for account. Make you tell am say you dey hungry, make him tell you say nothing dey. See, no fit relax o. Say your friend get anytime wey you need, you go tell her, he go just give you. Na lie. In fact sef, when your friends don dey get money and you never dey get, they go dey distance theirself from you. They go dey suddenly they go dey busy. Your friend money no be your money, bro. Your friend get money and you no get, you never get anything, bro. No get the mindset of say your friend property na your own. Na lie o. Bro, hustle. All man for himself. You understand? So no go dey get the mindset of say if your friend get that you no go too suffer. Bro, you go suffer. I don tell you.